It all started with a dream, a vision to create the next champion product that will be beneficial to our health.
Meron kasi kami nung dalawang makukulit na distributor. Ang sabi nila sa amin, Ma'am, Sir, mag-market naman tayo ng barley.
Itong produktong to, sikat na ito sa buong mundo. Pero sa Pilipinas, ngayon pa lang magsisimula.
Tagal namin pinag-isipan yon.
Of course, ako as a person, as a network marketer, I'm open-minded to opportunities. So what I told them is, sige, what I'll do is I'll look for a research team to review or study barley.
In the course of looking for it, we found a very good supplier of organic barley grass in New Zealand.
From then on, we've continuously researched about barley. We've talked to several people until we came across an article in the internet stating, according to the US FDA, that any food containing barley can dramatically increase the risk for coronary heart disease.
I believe God gave us a very good product to give good health and a very good income for a lot of people. Eventually, we felt that we had to share this very good product and very good opportunity with as many people as possible.
What I love about this business is that more than the profit, meron talagang rewards na mahirap i-describe. I mean, of course, we want people to feel better through our products. Pero hindi lang yun eh. They live better. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam to know that we help them achieve that.
Hindi ko akalain na ipagbabago sa buhay ko. Nakuha ko lahat dito, yung dating salat kami sa financial. Ngayon masasabi ko na meron akong financial freedom. Bakit ko masasabi? Kasi yung dating sinusweldo ko kay Ma'am Minette na 1 week, 1 day, nakukuha ko dito. At doon, nagdoble-doble income ko. At ngayon, mga gadget dito, pinamimigay ng Santay.
Actually, napakaraming mga products ng iba't ibang companies na pwede kong i-take. Yung nga lang, ang reason bakit nasa Santay ako right now is more than the product is because of the people, yung mga tao, behind sa company. Kaya sa Santay, nakita ko yung sincerity ng company. Nakita ko yung sincerity ng mga distributors at ng mga tao behind this company.
But the thing is, we never stop. At the end of each day, at the end of every achievement, we remember our constant goal, and that drives us to keep on going.
Hindi yun ganun kadali.
It's not just about wanting to go on. Because to go on, kailangan may tapang ka. Tapang to take the next step forward.
If you are a Santay distributor, one of the things that you will value and one of the things that you will notice is how the directors, the employees, the management, and the uplines all together have created an environment that makes Santay a one big happy family. Isa siyang pamilya na masaya. Kaya hindi mo mararamdaman yung hirap, hindi mo mararamdaman yung pagod habang ginagawa yung negosyo. I guess the reason for all of this is kasi wala sa kanila ang nagmamataas.
Lahat ng bagay ay pwede mo makamit, pero isa lang naman ang katapat ng bawat pagsubok na iyong haharapin. And that is
What I love most about Santay is
the product,
people,
the system,
triathlon team,
the events,
The management.
income.
training. Dito ako gumaling.
What I love most about Santay is We work hard.
But we work harder!